was climbing out.
Okay. Well, the little chicks are just about 2 weeks old today. Some of them are just a couple of days younger. It's 66 degrees outside today. It's a nice sunny day. And I'm giving them their first taste of sunshine. In another couple of weeks, if the weather holds, I hope to get them all outside to keep them out. Take the cardboard out, John. Let them pick on the grass. They don't know what grass is. They never had grass before. Thank you. Here, let me have that cardboard over here so we can block the wind. When we're done, we'll put this up over here. Okay, put the other ones in there.
Okay.
I'm going to clean out their little brooder. Oh, they're looking to escape.
I know they are.
There they go. Johnny's getting them in there one at a time. They really don't know what to do. This is their first time out. First time they've seen sunshine. Get their water tray, John. Take the middle container out of it. Just put the tray in the water. Is that what? You know what? Dump that water, and then we'll go inside and get some container with water. Okay, put that in there. Okay, well, don't scare them now. Okay, close the gate so they don't go flying. If they go flying around, we're not going to be able to catch them out here. Well,
I'll go get some water.
Yep. I have that jar downstairs.
Yeah.
You can bring that jar. It's got water in it.
Okay.
All right. Pecking away a little bit at the grass there. Their first time out. Well, while Johnny's getting their water, I have to go finish that chicken coop that I'm working on. That's a coop that's going to be a brooder on wheels. If you like to see how I added wheels to that chicken coop, hit the link up above. If you enjoyed this little clip, let me know by giving it a like, post your comments or your questions down below. And until next time, stay healthy and stay well.